What's up, everyone? Hello, creative souls. My name is Joseph Dooley. Welcome back to the channel. And with this holiday season upon us, what's better to spread the joy than by designing a Christmas card? And I want to say thank you so much for coming back. I know I haven't been posting as frequently as I have, but this holiday season, this time of year has been extremely busy at work, and I'm sure you understand. So with that said, today we're going to go through the steps to create a unique and heartfelt greeting card. So you can use this for Christmas or whatever, and you can use these steps to create cards throughout this coming year, 2024, and I hope that you have been doing well. So with that said, let's go ahead and get to it. All right, so now first thing you're going to want to do when it comes to designing your Christmas card, you're going to want to choose the theme of the card. And by the theme, do you want it to be classic, modern, or do you want it to be whimsical? And you have to decide what is your style. So what works, what speaks to you, what gets you excited, what do you enjoy seeing? And then the second thing is color palette. So you gotta select colors that evoke a holiday spirit. Not necessarily that you have to use red and green. You could choose whichever colors speak to you and what goes along with the theme that you are choosing. Because if you look at Christmas cards, you're guaranteed to find cards that are not red and green. And after you are done with the planning of the card, you're going to focus on the layout and design. And before I continue, I'm going to show you all my sketches that I have so far, and then I'm going to let you choose which one you think that I am going to finish up. And also, I'll get into that in a bit. All right, so let's focus on the layout and design. So with layout and design, you want to arrange the elements on, you know what, I can go ahead and show you now, because layout and design, this will be better understood showing you with my sketches. All right, now with the layout and design, you want to decide how you're going to arrange the elements, such as which images you're going to use, how the illustrations are going to work, and if you're going to have any graphics. And after you do those, you're going to want to choose which fonts that complement the theme, as well as making sure that all the design elements are cohesive and it's a pleasing layout. And here, y'all see how we just went through the process of planning your card and choosing the theme. So I decided that I'm going to do one of my favorite Christmas quotes from Home Alone. It's one of my favorite Christmas movies, and as you may or may not know, in I believe it's Home Alone 1, there is a video part where the guy in the video says, "Merry Christmas, you filthy animal." And here is just the basic sketch type, very easy to understand the message and not much to it. So then after I drew out a little grid and added some elements to it, because I'm thinking of, as you see here at the top, I wrote out what type of theme and what elements I could have. And so of course, snowflakes, shapes, I want it to be fun, eventful, good colors. And then I put here in parentheses, not having to be Christmas colors. And so with this one, as I was just saying about making a grid, and then I got the Merry, and it's very cohesive, easy to understand, and they get the message across. And the same with this one as well. wanted to get out of it just being tight, such as this way. Wanted to expand on that and make it look like a Christmas ornament, and stretch the type, then make it fun, eventful, and not what you would expect. And then just Merry Christmas here in a different style. Then I was going to have the quote here at the bottom. But just doing these sketches very quick, not something too in-depth, because sketching should just be quick and moving very confidently in the choices that were being made. Let's take a break. Whoa, sorry for kicking the tripod there. So let's take a break. I want you to take time to absorb all of this and realize that I may be throwing a lot at you, and I do want you to show me what your completed design is going to be, and whichever program or whichever way you decide to create it, make sure to share it with me, and I look forward to checking out all of your designs. And last but not least, when it comes to creating your card, after you did all the planning, you got the layout and design, and everything is completed, ready to be printed. So the print quality, you want to make sure it is at least 300 DPI. That is for a crisp finish, and that is the way, that is the, what word am I looking for? Help me out here. That is a way to ensure that what you're going to be having printed is that the quality is at the minimum, the minimum threshold 300 DPI. So if you're wondering, Jostin, what is DPI? DPI means dots per inch. And the next thing is paper selection. Since we are doing a Christmas card, you want to focus on choosing a thick cardstock. There's many different weights of cardstock. You just have to explore and see what different selections of paper out there that will work for the theme that you choose. And if there's any creative embellishments you want to add to the card and to jazz it up to fit the overall theme that you're going for. But you want to make sure that you don't overdo it, and also realize that it is a Christmas card. So, and there it is. You have a uniquely designed Christmas card. I hope this tutorial truly spoke to your creativity and brings joy to you and to your loved ones. If you haven't done so yet, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you haven't done so yet. I appreciate all of you who take the time to do so, and as well as connect with me throughout this journey that we are on. And I appreciate all of you who have subscribed. I truly, truly appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace and love.